Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic that is converting video to audio. Whether you are a content creator or a music enthusiastic or just someone looking to extract an audio from a video, this video is for you. Before begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Sarita. I am a technical writer by profession. Um, the main aim of this project is to convert a video file into audio. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about converting video to audio. We'll start by discussing why you might want to convert a video to audio, then move on to different methods and tools available for conversion process. Finally, we'll walk you through the Python code by step-by-step tutorial how to convert a video using Jupyter Notebook. In this presentation, you can see we will be exploring how to convert video to audio using Python. We need some necessary libraries. We'll be discussing about those libraries to accomplish this task, and then the required libraries to convert a video into audio is a moviepy library that is used for manipulating video files. Then next, loading the video file. Using a video file clip module from the moviepy library, we have to load the video file into our Python script. Next, extracting an audio that is available for the video. We'll be using a attribute named audio that is available in the moviepy library. It is used to extract an audio from the video file. We can also use a PyDub library to perform audio processing tasks such as trimming, volume adjustments, and format conversions. We'll be using this PyDub library in our later sections of the coding. In this video, I'll be using moviepy library only to convert the file into audio. So let's jump into our code. I have opened my Jupyter notebook. In this you can see convert video to audio file. In this I am installing a moviepy library. You can see I have already installed and successfully on my laptop. If this library is not installed, you can install using this pip install moviepy. Next I am importing a video file clip module from the moviepy library. This moviepy library is an excellent choice for converting video to audio. Moviepy is a Python library that provides a simple and intuitive interface for working with video files. It allows us to perform a wide range of video editing tasks, including extracting an audio with just a few lines of code. Next, the video file clip module. It is a module that is used to extract on an audio, and in this we are first loading the video file and manipulate it and extract its audio component effortlessly. You can see I'm loading the video file. I have given the path here, and I'm loading this video clip, video underscore clip. Next I'm checking whether the video has an audio or not. If the video have an audio, then it will run this else part. If the video doesn't contain any audio, then it will run this part. You can see here it will throw an error that the video file doesn't contain an audio. Because my video has an audio, then it will run this part. So to extract audio from the video clip, I'm using audio underscore clip, and I'm storing the audio of that video clip into this audio underscore clip. Next, I'm saving the audio file to this location. Using this write underscore audio file, I'm saving this. Next, as I have opened this video, I'm closing it using a close, video underscore clip dot close. So you can see here it is This audio is stored in this location. Let me check it once. Here you can see my audio file is ready. If I play this, you can see this. So this is how you can extract an audio from the video file. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And happy coding. Thank you. Thank you one and all.